Hello, all. Dr. Bruce here with an impromptu and very brief live. No, this isn't an edition of my Spiritual Hitchhiker's Practical Guide to the Afterlife and Beyond show. If you always wanted to experience a past life regression, but felt it was out of your reach price wise, because a good one presented by a top flight past life regressionist isn't cheap, nor should it be. This is your chance to experience one at less than a tenth of the cost of one of my one-on-one past life regression programs. On June 24th at 6 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, I'll be conducting online my Past Life Odyssey workshop in association with the Hawaiian Ions Facebook group. They're one of the top near-death experience groups on the web. I created this workshop back in the early 80s. Yes, I've been doing past life regressions for that long and longer, and I've been perfecting and refining this workshop since then. In the workshop, you'll have the opportunity to experience a past life in your choice of one of 6 different time periods. So for more details and to register for the workshop, I invite you to visit the events page on my website, which is DrKaloski.com. Remember, that's Tuesday, June 24th at 6 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, and invite your friends. Until then, as always, this is Dr. Bruce wishing you happy trails.